Hello, everyone. Welcome to another special webinar for our LAM students. This time, we shall be discussing pale tongues with a depression at their root. And this is quite common. No? With the help of the eight principles, I think you're all familiar with the eight principles, pattern diagnosis, and tongue diagnosis, we can now analyze quite accurately acute and chronic patterns of disease. No? So if you remember, we use tongue diagnosis to be able to gain insight into the energetic present condition of the individual. But there are also signs that will tell us about the energetic past of the patient, no? Like deep cracks, dents, hollows, or crevices in the tongue body, or a contracted tongue body. So this and other changes to the tongue body shape color are most commonly caused by deep energetic deficiencies. For example, chronic deficiency of spleen and stomach qi or kidney yin. Over time, this will lead to depletion or insufficient nourishment of essence. Always remember that when you're running short of energy, there will always be the possibility of the kidney making use of its essence. Diba? Kaya as much as possible, we need to take care of our kidneys. There are people, they look older nga than their age. Eh? So what is essence? Essence is a very rarefied and dense form of energy that is fluid in nature. It has the potential for building and nourishing the body. Kaya nga tinawag na essence. It supplies energetic material for physical and mental development in childhood. Kaya if you were not so lucky to have been given proper nourishment, you might end up having low IQ, no? So, yun. So for development and function of the reproductive system. So for people who had issues with reproductive system, you will always have to ask, like, how was their childhood? Were they fed well, or well, they always malnourished? No? So the quality and strength of the essence, which we call jing, is important in the production of marrow and the controlling functions of the brain, the bone marrow, and the spinal cord. And if you meet accidents, or if you got sick for a long, long time, what did you notice? They look older, di ba? Like sometimes you wouldn't. I saw one practitioner, I won't tell the name. When I saw yung picture niya before, kasi nagkaroon daw siya ng meningitis for like 6 months siya nakaratay. He looked really different, in just after 6 months. Okay? So increased output of essence is required to offset shock. Remember, pag na-shock ka or nawalan ka ng, nag-bleed ka ng madami, no? Di ba when you meet accidents, uh, you would lose a lot of blood, no? And so, your kidney will have to come to the rescue. Gagamitin yung reserves mo. Okay? If one follows regular lifestyle, the essence will decrease slowly and gradually decline in old age, accompanied by loss of acute hearing or loss. Now, these things are inevitable. Mawawala yung ngipin natin. We will all become hard of hearing. No? Now, it was found that weakening essence can manifest in young or middle-aged individuals. So, pag medyo may edad na, okay lang yon because it's normal. But the most common causes for people who are not old yet, no? Middle-aged pa lang, mga 30, 40 pa lang, no? Medyo matanda na. So these are the most common causes. Number one is chronic inadequate nutrition. So chronic, that means matagal na. Hmm? lifestyle, no? Chronic overwork. There are people, nakalimutan na nila, there's a difference already. Like if you've been working for 20 years, you will not be functioning at your optimal level. But yet they still work, no? Parang bata pa sila. Chronic lack of sleep. Siguro kung mga few ano pa lang, few days lang, few weeks, it will not affect your essence. Too many pregnancies and births. Hmm. Okay. I had one patient, she had 16 children. Mm-mm. Kasi kung hindi pa siya nag-menopause, hindi talaga siya titigil. And births that follow too closely together. So, if you want to have kids, make sure may spacing. Hindi yun like, ang pagitan nila 9 months lang. 'Di ba? Excessive loss of sperm. So don't do it too much. Okay? Extremely profuse and frequent menstrual bleeding. Okay, so you need to do something about this. You should get a good practitioner and serious chronic illnesses. Okay? So dapat wala pang illness, may mga imbalance pa na nakikita, meron ka ng treatment. Frequent colds and flu. Hmm? Serious shocks. Many operations. Hmm? Constitutional weakness. That means inherited illness or physical and mental disability. So this is something that, you can't do anything anymore. Diets inappropriate to season. Hmm? Irregular eating habits in conjunction with overwork. Okay. Insufficient rest after major surgeries or major operations, infections, or other illnesses. Okay. So now let's go to our nakasanayan na, no? We have a 35-year-old female. Hmm? Symptoms niya, exhaustion. Anong kita nyo kaagad dito? Do you see this? Hmm? Nakabina, no? Yan yung
Uh,
depression at the root. Okay? There's insomnia, heavy feeling in the legs, tendency to catch colds, coughing. Bakit kaya siya nagka-cough? Western diagnosis, meron siyang mononucleosis, chronic fatigue syndrome following influenza. So background to disease, chronic overwork. Can't blame her. Overworked siya, so she always gets sick. Okay? So let's diagnose the tongue. This is a slightly pale, slightly swollen tongue. So what does it mean? Spleen and lung qi deficiency. If you have this kind of tongue, it also follows that there will be an issue with your lungs. Diba? They are both tie-in, right? Spleen is foot tie-in, lung is hand tie-in. Slight depression at the root. Kita nyo yan?
mm,
That's slight deficiency of essence. So, ibig sabihin, this will affect your immune system. Okay? So, coughing. Any questions? Can we now go to assessment? Any comment, Doc She? Did you like it?
okay lang, Doc.
Anyway, we will see.
Kadalasan sa mga bata ngayon, puro ano may problema sa spleen.
Oo. Um, it was intentional na, we have to see this. Kasi take note, she's only 35. Hmm? Hindi pa yan middle age. Nasa high pa ng career yan. No? Hmm. So yun. Um, okay. Assessment. Anybody can answer, ha? Mama Tina, are you still there?
Opo, Dok.
Okay, can you do the honors for the first question?
Sige, I'll try, Dok, ha.
Yeah.
Small
Small,
red.
red
Uh,
tongue body. Red na yung tongue, ha?
Mm.
Fissures, yung cracks, may or may not be
Mm.
present, no coating.
Um, empty heat, Doc. May empty heat.
Yes.
Um,
Galing naman. Wow, galing. Were you
Mhm.
impressed, Doc She? Ang galing niya. Uy, nasa
Yes,
US yan na. Hindi ko pa nakikita yan. Mm-mm.
yes.
basa-basa lang, Doc, sa free time.
Wow.
Pag no coating talaga, empty
Ay,
heat.
oo nga pala, kinuha mo
Oo.
lahat yung 5 channels, no?
Opo, Doc.
Hindi ka ba nawindang sa dami? Dadagdagan ko pa yon.
Dami, Doc.
Latest books. Thank you
Dami,
for your
Doc.
donation po. Thank you.
Thank
Ang
you din
galing
po.
naman. Wow. Baka gusto mo second question hanggang sa hindi ka
I-try ko,
makasagot.
Doc. Sige, Doc. Um, so, Fred Crimson. So, may heat. Um, yin deficiency po ba, Doc?
Yeah.
May fever siya. Exogenous febrile disease. Dry. Take note, ha? Crimson color. This is deeper than red. Hmm? Exogenous febrile disease. Dry body, dry coat. It's okay.
Okay.
Next.
Mhm.
Crimson color, dry and small body, no coat.
No coat. Empty. Em
Ay,
ah, yun na, Doc.
Oy, tingnan mo kaagad, no coat.
Yun nga, Doc. Nakita na yung answer,
Tapos
Doc.
lumiit na yung body. No, lumiit na yung body.
Deficiency na, Doc, no?
Pwede po nga ba na naman?
What's your
Iwan mo lang.
answer?
Oo.
Yin
Ano kaya?
deficiency or yin exhaust?
Tawag ko naman sa video.
Naubos na yung yin niya. Bakit? Dry na siya.
Try.
Yung body niya nag-shrink na. No coat. So we all know that it's yin deficiency. Mm.
Okay.
Crimson color with purple hue, purple, thin and moist coat.
So, purple stasis, Doc. Blood stasis.
Wow! Bakit ang galing-galing mo? Ilang months
Basta
pa
lang,
lang,
Doc.
madam. Pwede ka na mag-exam. Wala, ay, wow. So,
Pwede
nakatulog
na may
yung
exam, Doc.
5 channels?
Opo. Yung, tsaka, yun, binabasa
Ang
ko din yung
galing.
mga libro, Doc. Tsaka
Binasa
online
ko na
search.
lahat. Okay. Sige, dadagdagan ko pa. Tayo namin ganun. Marami pa akong mga new.
Sige, Doc.
Huwag mong ikalat
Babasahin ko,
pa
Doc.
para ano lang. Okay.
Of
Next.
course, Doc.
Binayaran nyo yun. Uy, ang mahal-mahal kaya noon.
Oo nga, nakita ko, Doc, mga 5,000 yung books, minsan
Sure.
8,000.
Hmm. Tapos yung iba hindi man lang binasa, hindi mo lang hindi mo lang sagot. Okay. Blue, purple, pale purple call. Oh, blue, ha?
Blue,
Is and white
gold,
coat. Hmm.
cold, um,
Ay,
um,
yeah, cold.
stasis, cold, stagnation pa rin. Oh, okay.
Internal.
Internal cold. Okay.
Kasi wet, moist. Blood deficiency. Next.
Okay.
Ang galing niya, Doc
Blue,
Shen. Ang galing. Okay. Blue, purple, pale purple color, dry coat.
um, mm, dry cold, cold, mm, blood
Blue.
stasis pa rin, Doc?
Yes. Ang galing. Ay, Doc Shaan. Hindi pa tayo nagmi-meet. Parang 1 buwan ka pa lang yata. Meron ka na bang training dito?
Ano
Ah,
lang, Doc,
Sabi.
talaga.
yung
Alam
last
ko
namin
na.
na-meet doc nung parang December first week, yung sa cosmetic auriculo.
Maniferer mo. Oh,
Mga
wow.
ganun po.
You're so good,
Cramming po,
ha?
cramming. Siguro nag-overcompensate ako, Dok,
So
kasi
that
andito
means
ko
our
eh.
system is effective or you're just, okay. Ay, si ano pala, si Ma'am Trix, may pinuntahan sila. So, nagpaalam. Okay lang. We missed her. Dark red, purple color, dry yellow coat.
Dry, so yellow. So may heat. And
Mhm.
then purple.
Okay.
Blood stagnation pa rin. Tapos may heat,
Bakit may
Dok.
Extreme.
Ah,
extreme
extreme heat.
heat?
Okay.
Extreme heat, yeah. Extreme heat can
Okay.
also cause blood stagnation.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
ano kasi dito yung dryness, no? Yellow coat. And number
Mm-mm.
8, tapusin mo na madam para goodbye na tayo.
Sige, try ko. Dark red, purple. So, greasy. So, damp siya, Dok. Damp.
Yun naman. Wow. Binasa mo talaga lahat?
Hindi pa lahat, Dok. Mga ano lang. Parts lang.
Okay.
Tsaka ano, research lang.
So that means it helps. Now, what about, I remember when I gave a talk on pulse diagnosis, nandoon kayo sa, paano na, was it helpful? Like, I taught you how to do pulse, then you were just listening sa Zoom, sa ano, sa cellphone pa ni ano na nawawala-wala.
Opo, Dok. Pero ano lang, Dok, pag may questions din ako na, yung pag magbabasa ako, nire-research ko din po eh. Kasi, for example, I'm reading about tang diagnosis, ganun. Inaano ko lang, kina-cross-reference ko lang sa
Yeah.
ganun.
That's the reason why we have many books.
Mm-mm.
If you remember, I don't focus on any one book. No?
Opo.
Ay, maraming salamat. You know, Madam Athena, imagine how we haven't even met. I could feel na the enthusiasm. It means you really want to help people talaga.
Opo. Yan talaga yung plan ko po ever since 5 years ago,
Kailan ba
Dok.
kayo
Tapos,
uuwi?
siguro next year or next year na, Dok. Depende po.
Sige, we're looking forward. Parang, ang galing mo na.
Sana di
Next,
ko makalimutan. Sige, number
dark
9.
red, purple color, no coating.
So, purple, blood stasis,
No coating.
um,
Heat.
deficiency, Doc.
Yeah. Naubos na yung
Ah,
yin.
okay. Exhaustion.
Mhm. And the last one, dark red,
Okay.
purple color, dry coat.
Dark red, purple. So, my heat and blood stagnation, Doc.
No, it's actually caused by toxin,
Okay.
like alcohol. Thank you for your attention. Maraming salamat. I'm so inspired by all of you, and we would have wanted to end this. Alam nyo ba, the story of this webinar, it's supposed to only last during the pandemic, but natapos na yung pandemic, andito pa rin tayo, di ba? Parang ayaw ko itigil. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.